In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete walls from your model. Whether you're cleaning up a design or correcting an earlier decision, removing walls is quick and straightforward once you know the options. I'll walk you through deleting a single wall using the context menu, removing multiple walls at once with a selection window, and deleting walls directly from a wall schedule. Start by selecting a wall in your view. Click directly on the wall until you see it highlight in blue. That highlight is your confirmation that the wall is selected and ready for action. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the correct element and not a nearby component like a door or a room tag. Once the wall is highlighted, press the delete key on your keyboard. The wall disappears immediately from the model. Deletion is instantaneous, so it's a good habit to pause for a breath and visually confirm the results in your view before moving on. If you prefer using menus, you can achieve the same result with a right click. With the wall selected, right click and choose delete from the context menu. This method is especially handy if you like to keep your hands on the mouse or if your keyboard layout makes the delete key less convenient. Functionally, it performs the exact same action as pressing delete, so use whichever approach fits your workflow best. When you need to remove several walls at once, a selection window is your friend. Drag a box around the walls you want to delete. Everything fully encompassed by the box will be selected and you'll see the group highlight in blue. Be mindful of what's inside your window so you don't accidentally include other elements. Once you're confident with the selection, press delete to remove all those walls in a single step. This is a fast way to clear out a portion of your model without clicking each wall individually. You can also delete walls from a wall schedule. Open the schedule, select the rows that correspond to the walls you want to remove, and press delete. This action removes those walls from the model itself, not just from the schedule view. It's powerful for bulk changes, especially when you've filtered or sorted the schedule to isolate specific walls. So double check your selected rows before you confirm. That's it. You now know how to delete individual walls, use the right-click menu, remove multiple walls with a selection window, and manage deletions from a wall schedule. Use the method that best fits the task at hand and your preferred work.